How to find micro niche keywords for blogging in Semrush. Now right here I'm inside the Semrush dashboard. As you can see, I'm inside the SEO. You can see this new UI updated by Semrush, and here inside the SEO I can come into the keyword magic tool. Now what you want to do is you want to simply type in cryptocurrency, right? So type in your seed keyword, and then once you type in a seed keyword, you want to go, make sure it is selected, the country which you want to rank for, and make sure it is selected to all, and here broad match. And once you go with a broad match, here what you want to do is you want to remove the navigational keywords, right? Because we don't want them. Just select the informational, commercial, transactional, click on apply. We don't want navigational. Navigational is like direct, like people are going to that, like it is not a niche. So once we eliminate the navigational niche and filter with the keyword difficulty, very easy. Now here you find a really good keywords which you really can rank for easily in a matter of days, because like there's a for these keywords, if the KD is green and very low, which means there's a lot of demand but the supply is low, and you can start focusing on this keyword. And if you want to find micro niches, so let's just say cryptocurrency tax lawyers, right? So if I click on this keyword, and it's gonna take me to keyword overview where I get many variations on long tail keywords. Now keep in mind, to find the micro, go into the micro, you can look at the keyword strategy by Semrush itself and get supporting articles, titles and every single thing. So to build a topical authority, you can focus on this micro niches, tax attorney, and then account in Los Angeles, near me keywords. And if you click on view all, it's going to show and it's also very important to focus on keyword variations. As you can see, this has no questions right now itself, but you can look up other keywords and find a very really good questions, or give it to AI to create FAQs.